Central Marine Fisheries Research Institute, 𝐶MFRI, Kochi, has recently signed an MOU with a biotech startup, Neat Meatt, to grow fish meat in the laboratory. Lab-grown fish. It is a type of lab-grown, cultivated, cultured meat. Cultivated fish meat is produced by isolating specific cells from fish and growing them in laboratory using cell growth media, without the need to kill animals. Final lab-grown meat is expected to recreate the flavor, texture, and nutritional qualities of real fish meat. Roles of 𝐶MFRI Neat Meatt as per MOU. As per the MOU signed, emphasize the genetic, biochemical, and analytical work related to the lab-grown fish project. 𝐶MFRI will conduct research on early cell line development of high-value fish species. Initially, 𝐶MFRI will focus on developing cell-based meat of species such as pomfret, seerfish, etc. Neat Meatt, having expertise in cell culture technology, will focus on optimization of cell growth media, development of microcarriers, and scaling up production. Benefits of lab-grown fish meat. Environmental benefits. Address the soaring demand for seafood. Reduce the pressure on natural resources. Address overfishing, which has resulted in sudden reductions in populations of certain species of fish. No need to rise and kill animals for protein. Health benefits. Ensure food security. Lab-grown fish meat will be free from antibiotics. Lab-grown meat will be free from contact of microplastics or heavy metals pollution in the oceans. Global efforts for lab-grown fish meat. Large-scale manufacturing of lab-grown fish meat is still in the initial stages, but some countries already made formidable progress. Israel is the frontrunner, followed by Singapore, USA, and China. Recently, Israel-based 𝐼CAR Foods successfully produced lab-grown freshwater eel meat, though this meat will be available in markets only after 1 or 2 years. In June 2023, U.S. Agriculture Department allowed 2 California-based companies, Good Meat and Upside Foods, to sell lab-grown chicken meat to supermarkets. India is the 3rd largest fish-producing country. The project aims to accelerate the development in this field, so that India is not left behind in this great opportunity. Way ahead. After the Dutch researcher Mark Post unveiled the first cultured meat in 2013, globally several companies are now working to develop lab-grown meat, including the lab-grown meat of chicken, pork, lamb, fish, and beef. Many organizations will further pursue this coveted sector due to the environmental as well as economic benefits. As per the Good Food Institute, a non-profit think tank, the cultured meat industry has grown to more than 150 companies in late 2022. With huge investments, also many companies are working on technology solutions along the value chain